In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Trello subscription. Whether you're scaling back on expenses or just no longer need the features of a paid Trello plan, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This will only take a few minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website and locate the login button, usually found in the upper right hand corner of the home page. You'll click on this to get started. If you typically use Google to access your Trello account, click on the Login with Google option. A window will pop up allowing you to select the Google account associated with your Trello subscription. Make sure you choose the correct account to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of your Trello dashboard. There, you should see an option labeled Workspace Settings. Click on this to proceed to the settings for your particular workspace. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your workspace, including subscription details. With the settings window open, look for the billing section. This area usually contains all your billing information, including payment methods and subscription details. Go ahead and click on billing. Here you will see a detailed breakdown of your current subscription, which might include the plan you're on, the billing cycle, and the amount you're currently being charged. Familiarize yourself with this information so you understand which subscription will be cancelled. Now that you've found and reviewed the billing information, you'll proceed to cancel your subscription. Within the billing section, there will be an option allowing you to cancel your current subscription. This option might not be very prominent, so be sure to look carefully. Once you find it, click on cancel. Before you finalize your decision, Trello may ask for a reason for the cancellation, which is a common step in many online subscriptions to gather feedback and improve services. After submitting any feedback and confirming you want to cancel, your subscription should be set to end after the current billing cycle. You'll be able to access Trello's paid features until that time, and then your account will revert to a free tier automatically. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have effectively cancelled your Trello subscription. Remember, you can always resume or upgrade again if your needs or circumstances change. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. If you have other questions about Trello or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.